Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about the cove function in R. The cove function calculates the covariance between two vectors, the columns of a data frame, or the columns between two data frames. If you only have a data frame that you want to compare the columns of, you just need to divide that to x. If you want to compare two vectors, one vector needs to be supplied to x and one vector needs to be supplied to y. Or if you want to compare the columns of two data frames, you need to do the same thing and provide one to x and one to y. If you have missing data, you can change how that's treated with the used function. And if you want to change the calculation method to Kindle and Spearman, you can use the method argument. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to calculate the covariance between two vectors. And to do that, I'm just going to take columns from the iris data set. So the first one is steeple length, and the second one will be steeple width. Okay? That was fairly straightforward. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but now I'm going to provide a data frame. So that's all the numeric columns of the iris data set. I had subset out the categorical variable, species, at the end. Okay. And here we have that same value in the covariance of the variable itself along the diagonal and all the other comparisons. This block right here, the triangle, is identical to this triangle. It's flipped along the diagonal. So that negative 0.04 is the same comparison as that negative 0.04, and so on. If you accidentally use core instead of cove, which I actually did in my video before this one, you will see one along the diagonal, and that will give you a pretty good sign you made a mistake. So just be aware of that. Okay, now I'm going to compare the columns of two data frames. And I'm not getting too creative here. I'm just breaking the iris data frame into two different data frames with two columns. Okay. So we're taking the covariance of the steeple column and the pedal column. So we cut out the variables with themselves and the steeple and steeple covariance and the pedal and pedal covariance. Okay? As always, I have a separate example on my website, stanfordr.com, and here we just did the same thing with a different data frame. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.